LBR Med, a collaborative robot for medical applications. The sensitive LBR Med robot has been adapted to meet specific medical requirements and is perfectly suited for a wide range of assistance systems in medical technology on account of its human-robot collaboration capability. One-of-a-kind robotic component for integration into a medical product. From diagnostics to treatment and surgical interventions, the LBR Med stands out as a perfect assistant for diverse tasks in the field of healthcare. The sensitive 7-axis lightweight robot is flexible and easy to integrate into medical products for various medical activities. With its responsive sensors, comprehensive safety precautions, hygiene-optimized surfaces and a controller designed for direct collaboration with the human operator, it is ideally suited to applications in medical technology. Moreover, the robotic component makes it much easier and quicker for manufacturers of medical devices to develop products and also to get them approved, because the LBR Med is certified in accordance with the internationally recognized CE scheme. Flexible connection possibilities. On account of its versatile media flange inside electrical Med, the LBR Med can be simply and flexibly integrated into various medical products. For customized medical instruments, a range of connections are available on the flange, e.g. for power supply, I/Os or Ethernet. The LBR Med robot that is integrated into a medical product facilitates interaction between the medical robot and the physician and patient. Collaborate Robotics provides unique advantages in the medical environment and will continue to impact future use cases that complement the healthcare teams. This technology allows the physician or therapist to focus on pre-operative planning and patient monitoring while the robot performs the strenuous tasks which require precision and above all sensitivity. For assistance tasks in the healthcare sector, safe, precise and consistent. Precise. The LBR Med requires no additional devices for calibration or high-precision work. Integrated mastering sensors pave the way for an entirely autonomous calibration process. Depending on the variant, the LBR Med achieves an outstanding repeatability of ±0.1 mm to ±0.15 mm. Flexible. Designed as a universally deployable component, the LBR Med can be seamlessly integrated into a wide range of solutions. With a variety of pre-configured interfaces, it convinces as a versatile robot system for various applications in medical technology. Safe. The LBR Med has an extensive safety structure. Relevant signals are evaluated on a safety-oriented basis by both hardware and software. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe the channel.